Producing the 50cc scooter for sale from saferwholesale.com. This is the only one that we have left in this particular model. So if you're looking for other scooters for sale, give us a call right now or purchase this one today. Call us at 866-606-3991. 50cc scooters. This one's real easy to drive. We'll take it for a ride here in just a second. You turn your key to the on position here. It's very easy to ride a scooter. Again, and then you're going to simply just hit the start button right here on your right-hand side. You've got nice headlights, as you can see there. Very, very easy to drive. It's got the nice DOT mirrors, as well as your nice aluminum grips there. Again, saferwholesale.com. Tons of different scooters for sale on our website, and we can ship them nationwide right to your front door. We've got this style. We have that style, and we've got so many different other models out there. So again, give us a call if you're looking for cool, unique scooters at saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991.